You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because of what nobody ever taught you. That sounds harsh, but stay with me because these 10 minutes could change your entire financial life. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. And here's the part nobody talks about. A third of people earning six figures also broke by the end of the month. So if a bigger salary was the answer, they'd all be rich. They're not. Today, I'll show you exactly why this happens and exactly how to break the cycle. But first, you need to meet someone, because his story is probably your story. This is Alex, 25 years old, decent job, $45,000 a year. On paper, Alex should be fine. In reality, Alex is one flat tire away from a financial crisis. No savings, 2 maxed credit cards, and a bank account that hits zero every single month. Alex doesn't have a salary problem. Alex has a system problem. And so do you. Let me prove it. Here's what the salary illusion actually looks like. When Alex got his first job at $40,000, he said, "Once I make 50, I'll finally save." He got the raise. Did he save? No. His spending got the raise instead. This is lifestyle inflation. Every dollar you earn more, you spend more, automatically, silently. Now watch what happens to Alex's paycheck in real time. Day 1. Payday. $3,000 hit the account. Alex feels rich. Day 2. Rent, car payment, subscriptions. Half of it's gone before Alex wakes up. Day 5. New sneakers, dinners out, a little online shopping. Because hey, he earned it. Day 15. The account is wheezing. Alex switches to his credit card, just until payday. Day 30. Zero. Again. And the cycle resets like it never happened. Sound familiar? That's not bad luck. That's a machine. A machine designed to keep you at zero. And the machine has 3 gears. Gear 1, no gap between what you earn and what you spend. Gear 2, everything you buy loses value. Cars, clothes, gadgets, all of it melting. Gear 3, the invisible costs, interest, fees, subscriptions you forgot. They feed on you quietly. Quick pause. If this is hitting home, subscribe. This channel exists to get you out of this machine. Now let's talk about the most dangerous version of broke, the one that looks like winning. Because some people aren't just broke, they're broke in designer clothes. Meet Chloe, 26. If you saw her feed, you'd think she made it. The bag costs 2 months of her rent. The trips are on a payment plan. The lifestyle is rented. Chloe makes $52,000 a year and spends $60,000 every year. The difference lives on her credit cards at 24% interest. Here's the brutal math. Looking rich is the most expensive way to stay poor, because every dollar spent on the image is a dollar that never gets the chance to grow. Chloe isn't dumb. She's caught in the comparison trap, spending money she doesn't have to impress people she doesn't know. And social media? It's a highlight reel of everyone else's fake wealth. You're comparing your reality to their marketing. So we've seen the trap. No gap, melting purchases, invisible leaks, and image spending. Now let's flip the camera. What do wealthy people actually do differently? And no, the answer isn't skipping lattes. The answer is a completely different operating system. This is Victor. He didn't inherit anything. He started with less than Alex. Today he owns assets that pay him whether he gets out of bed or not. The difference between Victor and Alex isn't intelligence. It's one question they ask before spending. Alex asks, "Can I afford the payment?" Victor asks, "Will this make me money or cost me money?" That single question separates the two financial species on this planet. Species 1 buys liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket. Cars, gadgets, status. Species 2 buys assets, things that put money in, stocks, index funds, real estate, businesses, skills. Victor's rule is stupidly simple. Assets first, toys later, with the money the assets generate. Let the asset buy the toy. Read that again. And this is where compound interest enters, the most boring miracle in the universe. $100 a month invested in a simple index fund at historical market returns. 10 years, $17,000. 20 years, $52,000. 30 years, $130,000. Same $100 Alex spends on sneakers without blinking. That's the entire game. But mind you say, $100 a month won't make me rich fast. Correct? Nothing will. Everyone promising you fast is selling you something. Wealth is slow, boring, and unstoppable. Now, enough theory. Let's build your escape plan. 4 steps, starting tonight. Step 1. Know your number. Tonight, open your bank app and face the truth. Income minus real spending. Most people have never done this. They'd rather not know. Not knowing is why they're broke. Step 2. Create the gap. Find just 10%. Cut the leaks, unused subscriptions, fees, impulse orders. 10% of $3,000 is $300 a month. That's your seed money, your freedom fund. Step 3. And this is the one that changes everything. Pay yourself first. The day money lands, your 10% moves automatically. Before rent, before food, before anything. Not what's left at the end of the month. There's never anything left. You know this. Automation removes the one thing that keeps sabotaging you, your own willpower. Step 4. Aim the money. That freedom fund flows into assets. Broad index funds are where most people start. First, 1 month of expenses as a safety cushion. Then, invest every month. Rain or shine, boring wins. 6 months from now, something strange happens. You check your account and there's money in it. Not because you earned more, because the machine finally works for you instead of against you. That feeling has a name. It's called breathing room. And it compounds just like the money. Then momentum kicks in. The first 1,000 feels impossible. The 10th feels inevitable. So let's bring it home. You're not broke because of your salary. You're broke because the gap doesn't exist, the purchases melt, the leaks bleed, and the image eats the future. And you fix it with 4 moves. Face the number. Create the gap. Pay yourself first. Buy assets. Alex started 3 months ago. Same salary. He has $2,000 saved for the first time in his life. Nothing about his job changed. Everything about his system did. Your salary is the raw material. The system is the factory. Broke people have no factory. So here's your homework. Tonight, open the bank app. Face your number. That's it. That's the first domino. If this opened your eyes, the next video will blow them wide open. How the rich legally pay less than you. Subscribe and turn notifications on, because nobody is coming to teach you this. Not school, not your bank. The machine kept you at zero long enough. Time to build one that works for you. Think rich, build wealth. This is mine.